6. Good morning, everybody. Okay, please settle down. Yung mga dito bata. Okay, and good morning, Miss Carla.
Good morning, Sir Elvin. And hello to everyone. Hello. Okay. Before we start our celebration, let's have a roll call first. Okay, let's start from the nursery.
We're at the nursery.
Nursery!
As a teacher.
Where are the nursery? Where are the nursery?
Where are the kinder? Where are the kinders? Where are the kinders? Where are the prep? Where are the grade 1? Grade 2A.
Grade 2B.
Ana.
Grade 3. Parang isa lang yun. Lakas ang boses ah.
Grade 4.
Grade 5. Mami, ito ni grade
Kaya kaya, huwag ka makulit ah.
Maganda pag nasa drumming na yung classmate. Once again to our school administrators, faculty members, parents, students, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this year Nutrition Month celebration with the theme, ang kalusugan ng mamamayan ay kayamanan ng bayan.
Okay, without further ado, let us all stand for the doxology to be given by the Salutary Prophet.
Sana.
Let's now put ourselves in the presence of the Lord.